Hi, this is Sue with Creations by Sue, and today I am going to do this quick dip video, and it's an addendum to my previous video that showed how to do the knockdown stitch. In this video, I'm going to do the knockdown stitch separate for OB and then for whatever you do it all for the glory of God, and I'm going to have them just be a slightly separate size. So I'll show you how to go ahead and do that. The first thing that you're going to be doing is pressing this flower icon, and that takes you to being able to put the amount of distance you want around each item. So what I need to be careful about here if I want to keep these separate is that as I do this distance, I don't allow it to open up like it's doing right now in this area, because now the whole thing is going to be the same amount of knockdown stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and minus until that middle part right here closes back up. And now it's closed. So I can put that into memory, but I've already done this, so I'm not going to put it into memory, but I wanted to demonstrate that part. And the next step is to press Add, go to my Design Center, find the design in the flower stamp, and here it is. Press OK. And now I can fill both of these, do the fill bucket, go to finding what fill I want, and I want the stipple stitch, and I'm going to press blue because it is going to be in blue, and OK, and now I can fill these. So the first one, I'm going to fill both of them actually, and then I'm going to go to next, and now I can work with each one. You can see the red rectangle around that one. So that one I want it to be a little smaller for the spacing, and I'm finding that if I just do spacing, it does work out okay. I don't really have to change anything else. Where I know in the other video I went ahead and changed this also, but this is working just fine. So now I just work with the spacing. And now for the name, I'm not going to have that quite as small because my name is pretty big and it shouldn't need to be as small of spacing. So I'm going to go down, or I'm going to go to about 96. Press OK and see what that looks like. And that looks even, similar to this, but a little less. Probably just go a hair larger than that. I'll go to 100 and see how that looks. And okay, I do like that. So I'll press Set, press OK, and now that's in there. And just as a reminder, when you go to Edit End, I'll show you the order they're going to stitch out. It would normally stitch out the whatever you do first, and then OB, and then the last one would be this stipple stitch. So I want the stipple stitch to be first. So I will put a stop there because I want, when I go back, I'm going to stitch this first, the stipple, then I'm going to go back to the first one, stitch whatever you do, and then I'm going to stitch OB, and then the machine will stop before it stitches that stipple over OB that second time that it wants to stitch. So then I can just stop and be done. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you have learned something new. I'd really appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to press subscribe if you want to be notified of future videos. And happy stitching! Bye!